Hello! This tutorial is to help you, the student and the parent, navigate Google Classroom. So when you first log in, you're going to see all of the classes that you are enrolled in. Now, a neat thing on this page is that if you want to, you can move them in a different order. So play with that because maybe you want it by period or alphabetical, or you just want your favorite class on top. In all the screens, you're going to see these 3 lines, and here is just another way to navigate through all of the things that you have in Classroom. On the right hand side, these are the 2 familiar Google icons that you see on any Google page that talks about who you're logged in as and has access to the Google Apps. And then this plus button is what you're going to click if a teacher ever sends you an invite code to join another Google class. You would just type it in here, click join, and another class would pop up on your screen. Now when you're actually in a class, the first thing that you see is your stream. So the stream is kind of like a Facebook feed if you're familiar with that. Basically everything that's posted pops up here, and the most recent is going to come up on top. So you can see all of the dates that things were posted and you can see what they were. New assignments and materials are also going to show up under your classwork tab. This is where you're really going to live, is in the classwork tab. This is where all of your assignments are housed. So as I go through, you can see that there are different what are called topics that have assignments under them. If this becomes too busy or too long, and you know the assignment you want to look at is under a specific topic, you can just click that topic and you will only see the assignments on that topic, and they'll even be expanded for you so you can see the full thing. When you are given an assignment, if you click on it, you're going to get an expanded view with more information and any attachments that your teacher has put. But when you click View Assignment, you get even more options. This is where you can add or create maybe Google Docs or drawings or whatever you need to complete the assignment and attach it straight to Classroom. You can mark it as done when you're finished, or you can ask your teacher comments or make comments for the class if that option's turned on. You'll know you completed an assignment because instead of being blue, which means it's not finished yet, it will turn gray. You also have a People tab. I'm not going to click on this for privacy reasons, but this tells you what other people are signed up in the class. So this was a really brief tour just to make you a little bit more familiar with what your Google Classroom looks like. So I hope you are safe and healthy and have a great time in Classroom.